Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. This is the class of Standard 1. The lecture of mathematics is going to be started. Let's begin our day with a positive thought. Try and fail, but don't fail to try. My dear students, it may be possible that while your journey towards success, such a way you becomes fail. So, don't be disappointed with this failure and try hard until you get success, until you achieve your goal. So, keep trying, be successful. Best of luck to all my dear tiny students. So, how are you all? Fine? Happy? Make revision of each and every subject. As you all know, my dear students, that FA3 exam is going to be started. So, right now we are making revision for the same. First of all, let me inform you about syllabus of FA3 exams. For FA3 examination, you have to prepare chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers, and chapter number 8, measurement. For FA3 examination, you have to prepare table number 6 and 7 also. So get ready everyone with your notebooks, pencil. As we are doing revision, you all have to write with me each and everything. First of all, as I told you in each and every lecture, that before we start, you all have to copy the heading. Write down the heading, Revision FA3. Everyone, write the heading, Revision FA3. Write the instruction, subtract the following. SUBTRACT, subtract. THE, FOLLOWING, following. Subtract the following. In the series of revision, today we are going to make revision of subtract the following. Before we start the new topic, first we will make a revision of previous lecture. And yes, of course, you all have to copy each and every sum in your notebook. So, be ready for writing work. Question 1. Solve. 79 minus 4. 9 minus 4 we get 5. 7 minus 0 we get 7. 79 minus 4 we get 75. All the students, you have to copy the sums with me. Sum number A, 79 minus 4 is equal to 75. Sum number B, 86 minus 3. 6 minus 3, we get 3. 8 minus 0, we get 8. 86 minus 3, we get 83. Sum number C, 55 minus 4. 5 minus 4, we get 1. 5 minus 0, we get 5. 55 minus 4, we get 51. Make sure that you all have to write the numbers in proper order and proper position. Make sure that you have to copy the numbers in properly square. Sum number D, 98 minus 5. 8 minus 5, we get 3. 9 minus 0, we get 9. 98 minus 5 is equal to 93. Sum number E, 89 minus 8. 9 minus 8, we get 1. 8 minus 0, we get 8. 89 minus 8, we get 81. I am waiting for you so that you all can copy it in your book. Sum number F, 69 minus 7. 9 minus 7, we get 2. 6 minus 0, we get 6. 69 minus 7, we get 62. Sum number G, 85 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 85 minus 5, we get 80. Sum number H, 53 minus 2. 3 minus 2, we get 1. 5 minus 0, we get 5. 53 minus 2, we get 51. Question 2, solve. SOLVE, solve. A, 7070 minus 606G. Everyone copy the sum properly in your notebook. 70 minus 60. Now look, my dear students, we are going to solve the sum. Again I want to repeat that always start solution from ones place only. Here at ones place there is a 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 we get 0. Seven minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 6 means remove or cut out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There remains 1. So 7 minus 6 we get 1. For the whole sum we can say that 7070 minus 6060 we get 1010. I am waiting for a while so that all the students can complete it. Write the numbers on its proper place between the box. 70 minus 60 we get 10. Sum number B. 5050 minus 2020. 5050 minus 2020. I hope you all are writing with me, huh? And that's why I am detecting very slowly so that all the students can copy the work with me. Everyone completed the writing part? Now think in your mind how to solve this sum. Yes, this is the revision. Now you all know how to make subtraction. Let us see. First of all, start from ones place only. 0 minus 0. So now as you all know that 0 minus 0 we get 0. 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2. Remove or cut out 2. 1 and 2. There remains 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 we get 3. 5050 minus 2020 we get 3030. I hope everyone has completed these two sums. Sum number C. 3030 minus 1010. 3030 minus 1010. Look, my dear students, in mathematics the position of numbers is most important. So while you are writing the sum, make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. First of all, let's solve the ones column. Look, here we have 0 minus 0. So, 0 minus 0, we get 0. Three minus 1. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1. There remains 1, 2. 30 minus 10 we get 20. Everyone copy the sum properly. Write the sums in proper position, Sum number D. (9090) minus 7070. First, let's solve ones place. 0 minus 0, we get 0. Now 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There remains 1 and 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 9090 minus 7070, we get 2020. Sum number E. 6060 minus 2020. First, let's solve the ones place. Zero minus 0, we get 0. 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2 means cut out or remove 2. 1 and 2. There remains 1, 2, 3, 4. For the whole sum, we can see that 6060 minus 2020, we get 4040. Is everyone has completed the writing part? I hope you all have completed. Number 3, solve. Sum number A, 69 minus 25. 69 minus 25. First, let's solve the ones column. That is 9 minus 4. 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We reach at number 4. 6 minus 2. 6 before 5, 4. 69 minus 25, we get 44. Sum number B, 75 minus 13. 75 minus 13. First, let's solve ones place. 5 minus 3. 5 before 4, 3, 2. 7 minus 1. 7 before 6. 75 minus 13. We get 62. Sum number C, 67 minus 24. 67 minus 24. First, let's solve ones column. That is 7 minus 4. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3. 6 minus 2. 6 before 5, 4. For the whole sum, we can say that 67 minus 24 is equal to 43. So, tell me, have you all completed the sum? Very nice. Now, write sum number D. 83 minus 22. 83 minus 22. First, let's solve ones column, which is 3 minus 2. 3 before 2 and 1. 8 minus 2. 8 before 7, 6. 83 minus 22, we get 61. Everyone has completed? Sum number E, 78 minus 54. First, let's solve ones column. 8 minus 4. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4. 7 minus 5. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 78 minus 54, we get 24. Sum number F, 47 minus 26. First, let's solve ones column. 7 minus 6. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 minus 2. 4 before 3, 2. 47 minus 26, we get 21. Sum number G, 88 minus 56. 8 minus 6. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 8 minus 5. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 88 minus 56, we get 32. Sum number H, 48 minus 15. 8 minus 5. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 4 minus 1. 4 before 3. 48 minus 15, we get 33. My dear students, this was the revision of subtract the following. Note down the homework. Subtract the following one time in your rough book. You have to write the sums of subtraction with the help of given PDF. One time only in your rough book. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.